Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, for the given question, based on the description provided, the patient likely has a surgical site infection, specifically a deep pelvic abscess. The symptoms of swelling, pain, inflammation, erythema, fever and increased white blood cell count with a left shift are all indicative of an infection. The fact that patient had a hip replacement surgery 28 days ago suggests that this is a nosocomial infection, that is, hospital acquired infection. The gram stain of the infecting organism is not provided, so the specific type of bacteria or other microbe causing the infection cannot be determined at this point. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.